Here I have Honor 70 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button power saving mode. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can actually you can't really switch any of its settings. You can only just switch this power saving mode and you don't really have any options of it. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.